Is my screen visible?
Yes, Malavika. Yeah.
Okay. So, can we start?
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay. So I will just come from take from this along with this MATLAB session Simulink. We will start. So, what is a Simulink? So Simulink is a software package for modeling, simulating, and analyzing a dynamical system, or it can be used for modeling. Simulink provides a graphical user interface for building models like block diagrams. We can just use it in convenient form. So the basic when you take a Simulink in MATLAB, you can just go to the MATLAB site. This will be the interface, and this icon represent the Simulink. When you click on that, there are two main basic elements in this. One is a blank model file. This one, a blank model file where we can create whatever model we want. And when you click on that, a new page will uh, come with an this will be a blank space where we can create whatever model we want. In this, to get the elements, we can use a library browser. uh, when you click on that, we can have different types of blocks. Like in this, we have different toolbox: Simulink aerospace, audio toolbox, automated driving toolbox. According to our need, we can just install whatever we want. For installation also, we can just go to the main Simulink part, and we can just take add-ons, and we can just give whatever we want. For I think if some students have not installed Simscape Electrical, for doing this electrical, we want to install this Simscape Electrical. If you are going for signal processing, you can just install signal processing, uh, Simulink order, control system toolbox. Whatever you are working with, you can just install it. So here we are mainly focusing on three commonly used library boxes are there. It will be like Sim. When you go down, you can have Simscape. In Simscape, you will get electrical. In electrical, you have connectors and reference control, electromagnetic. All are related to electrical devices. So when you click on Simulink, you have commonly used box, continuous, dashboards, continuous, discrete. Everything will be available here. So these are the basic fundamental things in what you should understand in Simulink. So we will try to create a mathematical model. So I will just take, so a mathematical model we are going to create. For that, we will just give an equation. For writing an equation in this blank space, we can just click on the left. There will be an annotation. Just click on that. And when you click on the screen, you will get a text box where you can give your equation, or anything you want to write, you can just type there. So I am just typing one equation: y equal to a square minus 10 into a. I will just increase the font. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will see how to create this equation using Simulink model. Till this much is okay with everyone. You can just message in chat box.
Hi, Monica. Actually, I'm not getting this word actually where I have to type. There is an arrow mark, sample time. On clicking, I'm getting some all annotation color off, but that is not I'm getting.
Not getting what actually?
This one actually,
Okay.
box is entered.
Go to the library browser.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Then in library browser, you can check for different sources and sinks, different elements. Source and sinks and elements that are important. So Malavika will step each by each step for the developing the Simulink model. Now you
Okay.
open that things up to library browser.
Yeah, it is showing actually different, I mean, Simulink practical, but the area where she is entering now, after clicking the arrow mark, I'm getting something different. It is annotation, all colors and off.
Can you send me the screenshot in the chat box?
Okay.
Yeah, Malavika, please
Yeah,
continue.
sure.
Yes, sir.
Please continue. I will take care of that.
Okay. So after this, we will see how to take box. Here we can analyze a. I am taking as a constant, which gives a square. Then a 10 is a constant, and a and b is also constant. So mainly I want a constant block. So either I can just type constant and give enter. So I will get a constant block. Either I can just drag and drop. Otherwise, I can just copy the same and paste here. Okay. So in this constant, I want if I want, I can just rename it
Ma'am, can
by
you please
clicking.
repeat it again?
Yeah, sure. Just analyzing this equation, I am having a square minus 10 into ab, where a and 10, b, all these three are constant values I'm taking. So I will just search in this library browser constant. Is this okay? I will wait. Everyone can try.
Mirza, your window is now fine, working fine.
Yeah. Actually, I already click the library, so I'm Simulink
Yeah,
library
it's working.
browser.
Yeah,
So
it's
I,
working fine. Fine. It's working fine. You just
but
note down. It's
uh,
working fine. Your side. Yeah, you
okay.
have the add-ons. You
No,
just check that whatever Malavika gives that tips regarding that equation. You just follow that things. That's it.
but where I should write actually? I'm not getting the typing area where y equals
Okay.
to a square minus 10
Yeah.
ab.
Just
That's
on the
not getting.
left side of this blank page, there will be an A. One box will be there. Just click on that and just click the blank space.
Okay. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Everyone got this constant block.
You can make a thumbs up from the simple React. That's fine.
Can you repeat how can we write do the annotation now?
Okay. First, there will be in this blank space on left side there will be a box with A. It is annotation. Just click on that one time and click on the blank space.
Yes, ma'am. After how will get the constant, ma'am?
Okay. Now either we can go to this library, then there will be Simulink. On the library browser, there will be Simulink. You can just go down, there will be sources. On that, you can get this constant. You can just drag and drop. Otherwise, there will be a search bar. You can just type constant. Is this much okay? Anyone having doubt?
No, ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, so we have got the first block. Now I want 3 such types of block for A, then 10, then B. Then I will just copy the same and I will just paste. Okay, now I am going to rename this block. For renaming, I will just click on the constant block. Then there will be a 3 dots. Then when you take that 3 dots, there will be show block name. Just take that and you can just click where the where there is constant. You can just give A. You can rename your block. Just click on the block. There will be 3 dots. On the second, it will be show block name. Just click on that and you can rename your block.
Okay.
Okay. Then you want to change, if you want to change your value in the constant value in the block, you can just double click. Then there will be a pop-up box like where you can give your value. Now I'm just giving, if I'm giving my value as 5, just imagine my 5, A equal to 5. Then I will go apply, then okay. So my A equal to 5. Should I repeat once again how to get values? I think it's okay. So continue.
Okay, yes,
So
yes.
here, yeah. So here a square. So I want to square my value of a. So I will just go to math operation. I will just search math, and when I go down, there will be a math function that is e raised to u. It will be just below this gain e raised to u. I'm just taking that. From math.
Ma'am, how should we change the value of A, ma'am?
Just double click on the box. Then there will be a box will pop up where you can
Okay, ma'am.
provide your constant value.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
To take this e raised to u block, that is math function, you can just take from math operations. When you click on math operation and just scroll it down, you will get this math function. Is this much okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone got this math function block.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this is exponential. So when you double click on that and just scroll it down, there will be POW, that is power. We want about a square. So I am taking power. Just double click, scroll down, there will be power.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I have clicked on the math function e raised to u, but it is not the screen that is open, ma'am. It is not going down to the pop-up.
What happened? I think you can just click, drag and drop to this side, the blank space. Then just double click on that box, then there will be power, POW. Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please show it once again, that exponential button, like dropping it?
Okay, just double click then this box will come. This function you can change, it will be exponential. You can just give power and apply. Okay. If you want, I will just.
Got it, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Oh,
selected the math operator, that is.
okay. Then here it will be u raised to v, where u means my 5, that is a, and v means whatever is my like here it is square, so v means I should give a constant value to as a v. So I will just click on one constant box and I will just give 2. That means 5 raised to 2, I will get 5 raised to 2. So I am just connecting these two blocks to u raised to v. There will be 2 input for this u raised to v. So I will give the first a as the first one, and I will just give the constant value to second.
Ma'am, or else directly can't we give u square, ma'am? Because if we double
Yeah,
click, if we click,
yeah, we can do either way. I'm just using this way.
yes, ma'am.
How you have got to this one two
I just take
in the y in the
I
y?
yeah, I just took one constant,
Okay.
then I just gave 2 as u raised to v. This 2 means my v.
Okay. So have you changed in the u to the power v? Have you changed anything inside in it? In this
Where
block, u to the
uh,
function one, the math function. Have you changed something
yeah,
inside this box?
yeah, I just change the function as power.
Okay, yeah, that is fine actually. After that, nothing is na. Only you
No,
have just
nothing.
connected.
Yeah, yeah, just connected. Now this a raised to 2, this part is over. Now we want to have this 10 into AB. For 10, I'm taking another constant. Double value 10. And here 10 multiplied with A and multiplied with B. So I want a device for product. I will just type product. Please message if you got this till this much.
From the maths, you have taken this product.
No, either you can search, otherwise you can just take from source.
In my case, actually, whenever I search anything, for that time it is visible, and after that it disappears. Simulink library browser, actually. In your case, it was there only, no? In my case, continuously it's disappear.
Yeah, from math operations you can take this product.
Done, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now I will just connect this 10 as one input for the product, and 10 into A. I will connect this other to A. To obtain 10 into A.
Ma'am, can I explain the connection again?
What? Sorry, I didn't
Can I
understand.
explain the connection again, ma'am?
For which one product?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Product.
audience,
Yeah,
please mute your mic. Yeah, please. Yeah, please continue, Tirupati. Yeah.
Yeah, if you double click on this product, there will be like number of inputs. If you want to give 3 here directly, you can just give 3, and you can just connect this to this product box. It is default that there will be 2 number of inputs. If you want, you can just change it.
Ma'am, I have a question. In the first one, exponential, that is this one, u to the power b. So you have connected the a to the first one and 2 to the second one. So is it default that u value will be the, a is the u value and 2 is the b value?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. For U value, we
the
are
upper one is
connecting the first one. Yeah.
okay. It's the default, correct, na?
Yeah. Can I continue? So completed till this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
we have completed a raised to square and 10 into a into b. Now we will just connect these both. That is, this part is positive and this part is negative. So we will, from math operation itself, we will take a add box and just double click and we can change the sign. So we want one as plus and one as minus. So I will just change the sign as plus and minus. Then I just give apply and OK. Just connecting the inputs. Should I repeat the step once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just analyzing this equation, y equal to a square minus 10 into ab. That means the a square part is positive and the other part is 10 into ab is negative. So we want both. So we will go to math operation in this library. Then the second will be add a box will be there. You can take that add box, and when you double click, you can change the list of signs. It will be default like plus plus. You can just give plus and minus. And you can just give input for plus as this u raised to v because it is a square. And the product part you can give as minus input. Everyone got till this much?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we want to display the output. So we will just type display, and then you scroll down. You will get display. Otherwise you can just go to Sinks and take display. Everyone got display?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you can save. There will be a save option. You can just click on that and you can give any name. I'm giving a name. I'm just saving a Simulink model set. After that, saving. Does everyone have saved their file? Is this much okay? Any doubt?
No one, fine.
Okay. After saving, you
Ma'am,
can just
I am getting the another kind of display.
what happened? You can just search in library box. You can search for. There will be things.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
In things, you will get display. After saving, just run your Simulink model. Then you will get the output as display. If any doubt, please ask.
Yeah, getting, ma'am, fine.
Here you can change this. Here we have taken math function. So here we have taken square. If you want, you can just double click on this constant box and you can just give, if you want to find cube, then you can just change it. And you can save once again and run the Simulink. That means you can change your values. If the model is ready, you can just even change your values.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you show that how did you add the connect? How did you get the connection between a
Connection.
and u raised to y? Constant a and u raised to y. That another connection, ma'am, to insert in the middle of product.
Okay. So this one, no, I will just connect once again. So I want to connect this part. I can't connect from here because there is no option. So what I will do, here I have on input. So I will take from here and I will connect it to this side. If you want, I can just do it once again. Just
Ma'am,
taking from the input, you can connect here.
not getting any display.
Not getting. Okay, I will do once again.
I did this
Just
exact same thing.
what happened?
Ma'am, I did the exact same thing. I'm not getting display.
I'm not getting what you are saying.
I'm not getting the display.
Display.
Yeah.
In library browser, there will be sync. Like it will
Oh,
be
okay.
in Simulink, just take Simulink. In Simulink, just go down, you will get sync. Syncs. In syncs,
Display.
first one will be display.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Else you can search it in the display, I mean the library browser
Also, I
tab
got it.
itself.
I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
So anyone still?
Rinki, your problem is solved. In chat box, I saw one picture. And display is not connected. Rinki Maurya. Okay, fine.
Everyone got?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have just done a mathematical modeling, like how we will solve an equation. Now we can just move to another electrical one. So we see how to do an series RLC circuit. Okay. For that, I will just take a new sheet. Can we move to the next one? Everyone okay with moving to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have taken a new sheet and I will just okay. So similarly, I'm going to do a model for RLC series circuit. So for RLC series circuit, I will need like a DC voltage source. I will just search a DC voltage source. First, we will take whatever devices we need. We will just take that. A DC voltage source.
Ma'am, ma'am, I could not hear what you're saying. It's breaking a bit. Your voice.
Okay, I will just write. Now we will do a series RLC circuit. For series RLC circuit, we require a DC source, a resistance, an inductance, and a capacitor. For that, I am just taking DC voltage source. Similarly, I am searching here DC voltage source. In library browser, I will just search DC voltage source. Okay. I think
Ma'am, it's saying no search results found for DC voltage source.
what happened?
It's showing no search results found for DC voltage source.
Okay, either you haven't installed this electrical SimScape, otherwise maybe your spelling may be like wrong. Anything, either these two. Either you check with your spellings or otherwise you have to install
The
this
spelling is
electrical
right.
script. Then you have to
George,
install.
yeah, George, actually, need to install the SimScape, electrical SimScape add-on to that. Then only electrical things are other electrical things are available for your library now. Can you check it?
Yeah, Others are
I mean DC current source, voltage source, any resistor, those kind of things.
yeah. I've installed all of that.
Can
Installed
check
the
it
entire.
once
I've
again
installed the
DC.
entire thing. I don't need to have any add-ons.
Okay.
Yeah, just check it once again. DC voltage
Yeah,
source or battery source or something. Just check it.
I'll do that. Ma'am, so how can we install that electrical part, ma'am, in Simulink?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you go to this MATLAB, there will be add-on session. Like add-on block will be there. When you click on that, you get add-ons. Get add-ons. That you can just install the Simscape Electrical.
Ma'am, should we install Simscape electrical that we should be installed, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, you can install actually because tomorrow's session is purely electrical. So just install today itself. That add-ons.
If anyone have installed, please let me know.
Malavika, you can continue. No issues.
Okay. So after this DC voltage source, I want series RLC branch. So I will just search RLC branch. Then I want to measure the current and voltage separately. So I will just go for current. Similarly, for voltage measurement, I will just go for voltage measurement block. To get the display value, I will just search for this display.
Ma'am, you have added series RLC circuit.
Series RLC branch. RLC.
Okay.
Just search for RLC branch.
Ma'am, can you tell what are the components used, ma'am? Except that one, something is there, two connections and one V and something. It's ammeter or voltmeter.
Okay. First, I just took this DC voltage source. Then this is for current measurement. To measure the current, like it is ammeter thing, current measurement. To analyze
Okay.
then the other is a series RLC branch. Similarly, to measure the voltage, I have taken a voltage measurement block.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now I will just connect this. For DC voltage source, I am giving amplitude voltage as 100 itself. Any doubt till this much?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is there any particular reason for us to choose a series RLC branch instead of just using a resistor and capacitor and inductor separately and then connecting them in series?
No, there is no reason. It's just easy to
Okay.
analyze this.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
If anyone completed, please.
It's been completed.
Okay. Then for this When you double click on the series RLC branch, this is either you can just give for, if you want to analyze only resistance, you can just take resistance and just apply, then you will get only resistance. If you want R and L, like resistance and inductor, then you can just click R and L, you will get a series R, resistor and inductor in series. If you want RC, you can similarly do that, resistance and capacitance. Now here we are just analyzing RLC, so I'm taking RLC and I'm giving resistance value as 100. Then I'm just giving my initial inductor current as 2, capacitance, initial capacitance voltage as 0 itself, and I will just give 2. If you want, you can just take a screenshot of this values. Otherwise, you can give your value itself, no issue.
Ma'am, there is an option in this block measurement in which actually non-branch voltage, branch current is there. So that will basically gives the branch voltage or branch current of that RLC circuit.
Yeah.
Yes, this one.
Yeah. This much okay.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm just connecting this voltage terminal, one input to here, to measure the voltage across this branch. Similarly, I'm taking one product. So for this, I'm just taking one input as the voltage and one input for this product is current. Also, I'm just measuring the voltage across this part.
So how can we give the value for current, no?
No, current we are going to measure. Oh, which
Oh,
current
okay.
this? In this one. Initial current.
Yes, ma'am.
Either this one I just mentioned 2. I just randomly give a value. You can also give according to your wish.
You are measuring the voltage across the series RLC branch.
Yeah. And I'm
So we
just
have to connect the
analyzing
positive.
what?
So we have to connect the positive terminal to the, series RLC branch, that side, no?
Let me say once again.
Malavika, hello.
Hello. Sorry, sir. I just lost my connection. Hello.
Hello, you can continue. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I will just share my screen. 1 minute, sir. So what he was asking, I didn't hear. Have everyone completed till this much? Is this much clear? Any doubt? Okay, so I'm connecting. I'm taking. What, sir? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you completed till this much? If you have doubt, please ask. Otherwise, we will continue. The scope is a device where we can analyze the output in graph manner. So I'm taking a scope and I'm double clicking the scope. Then a graphical representation will come. When I take the settings in that, there will be number of input ports. Then I'm changing this number of input ports as 1 to 3. And I'm just giving apply and OK. And I will just close it. So I get 3 input port. So I'm giving the input here as 1 from my current source, from current measurement, 1 input. 1 will be directly from this voltage, output of this I and V, and 1 I'm giving from voltage. Display also I'm just going to analyze how much is the value so of I into V. So I'm giving that also. Is this much clear? Any doubt, please ask.
Ma'am, can you explain again what is scope, ma'am?
In scope we can, in display we will get the values. If current measurement I'm just getting, it will be like just imagine it is a 10, then 10 ampere, then I can display in scope as a graph. The
Okay, ma'am.
graphical representation we can get from scope, where display will give the value.
Yes, ma'am.
So after this, before we save and run, we want one more device, that is power. So this power GUI is a Simulink powerful tool. This is used for simulating and analyzing electrical power systems. So it is necessary that we have to keep this power GUI block. It provides a graphical user interface and several functionalities, and this tools can be analyzed from this one block. So after this, I have mentioned the values also. I'm just saving my model. I'm just giving the name RLC. And so in display, and I'm getting some values as 0.002 as both current and voltage. So when I take scope, I will get, since it is DC, I'm getting the output as some current and voltage is there. So if I want, I can just change my values. Just giving some random voltage as so from this scope, we can analyze this graph.
Ma'am, how can we change the input, scopes input to 3, ma'am?
Okay, wait, I will just explain once again. Now, here, when you click on the scope, you will get this graph, and that you can just click on the settings on this right side. One settings will be there. In that, there will be number of input ports. It will be 1 by default. You can change to 3, or how many you want, you can just give. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you got output.
One.
Any doubt? So Danush, you got output. Jay Shankar, you got output. Okay.
So basically, ma'am, here we are changing. We are getting only one time now output when we try to run this model. So we can also have a dynamic way now, that continuous value. If we use something, changing the voltage or current continuously, then we can get a continuous output also, no? Because every time we have to run, really define the current and voltage here.
Yeah, that you will get. What? How did you write the decimal in the display? Where? This is not this value I didn't give. This is my output. From display I will get my output. I just gave my initial values.
That means we are giving the input to the current and the voltage, no?
Yeah. Actually, we are not giving the current and voltage value. We will just give what is my voltage and what is my resistance, what is my inductance value, what is my capacitance value. After that, there will be this is a closed circuit. So when the circuit, there will be a current flow and voltage. So that is what we are calculating.
Marisa, there will be a cell potential will be there. A cell potential will go through. Cell potential will act on the RLC circuit. A particular current will flow through the resistance, inductance, capacitance, and get back to the circuit to negative terminal. So in that way, in that process, how much current is there and how much voltage can be produced in that particular section. That's it. We are going not.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, here we have used DC power, I mean DC voltage. So we can also take, I mean the AC one. So where we can get a continuous.
Yeah. Anything you can try. We will give the basic steps only. Anything you can try from the Simulink block diagram. You can try it anything. And also one thing also noted the sign convention put in that resistance and also Malavika showed that RLC you can change to, but what the specialty of RLC block is actually we can change to R or a resistance or an inductance or a capacitance alone itself or the RL combination, RC combination, whatever be the combination, you can try it and you can check the current flow on that pattern. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Please,
Thank you.
yeah.
Ma'am, I did, ma'am, but I'm not getting any value, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Vaishnav, what's your problem now?
Sir, I did all the connections, sir, but I'm not getting any values in the display, sir.
Any values in the display? Did you check the run
Yes,
option?
sir. Now only I
Sir, I
run,
think,
sir.
sir, maybe he didn't give this power GUI block.
Yeah, you can
I gave
give
it,
the power.
ma'am.
I don't know what's the issue there. Can you, Malavika, can you simulate that block? Your signal. Malavika, hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Malavika, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now the window is having something. Okay, fine. Yeah. But my window is shown by the previous slide with only the initial display point only. Maybe the network issue is there for me as. Yeah. For everyone, it is visible. Uh,
Yes,
No,
sir.
now actually visible. Now it's visible.
yeah,
At least,
Malavika, now only it's visible actually for everyone. Yeah. It's okay, fine. Just check with it, everyone, please.
yeah. So I have one question. Like here we have taken power GUI. So is it if we don't take this one, what is the purpose of this one actually? You said some dynamic we can do some simulation or analysis. So here we have not connected anything with power GUI, no?
Yeah, Power GI is the purpose that everywhere their computation is needed. It's an ordinary solver only. So in that, when we go back to the continuous or discrete pattern, there will be ODE 45 solver, 42 solver will be there. That solver
Okay.
initiate the computation in the system. So that's why we are preferring that Power GA block in every simulations kind of things. Okay, and it's better to have the continuous Power GA or a discrete Power GA for a particular Simulink simulation. Yeah. Can you show that scope values to simulate it?
So now I got it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Malavika, can you connect to your mobile network?
Sir, I'm using my mobile network itself, sir. But both are.
I don't know why issues now today. Okay, fine. Yeah, please continue with that. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
No,
1 minute,
display.
sir.
I'm
I'm just.
unable to see the display.
Display is
Display is
off
not.
now. Yeah.
I will just share my screen 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay, please.
Sir, now is it okay?
Yeah, it is fine. It is fine. Yeah, please continue.
So I think everyone got this RLC circuit. This output also from scope. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And we will see one differential equation, how to solve one differential equation using Simulink. So for that, I'm taking a new blank model, and similarly, I'm writing one equation. A double dash plus 2 I dash plus ay equal to 10. So I'm going to analyze this differential equation in Simulink MATLAB. The basic thing what you have to do. So to solve this equation, we want to keep this higher order on the left side and rest all on the right side. So to solve this, we need y. I am initializing my value of y of 0 and y dash of 0 as 0 itself for simplicity. I am just initializing my value of y of 0 equal to y dash of 0 equal to 0 itself. If you want, you can just vary your initial condition. For this, we want constant value as 10, 2, 5. So we will take from library browser, we will take constant blocks. I'm just giving this value as 10. Then I want 10 minus 2y minus 5y. So I will just take another block as a sum. I'm taking this one. And when I double click on this, I can change the values of sign. So I'm giving 1 plus and 2 minus. Why I'm giving 10, 1 plus and 2 minus means this 10 is my positive value. So I'm giving 1 addition and 2 subtraction. And I will just increase the size. Am I audible?
Yes. No issues.
Okay. Now for 2 y dash, for y dash I have to take an integrator. So I will just search for integrator. And the same block I will take for y also. Now I have 2 into y dash. For 2 I will take again I will just rotate this. For rotating this block, I will right click on this block and I go to format and I can just take rotate in clockwise direction. I'm just connecting this 10, this integrator, and from output of 1 by s, I will just give to this input of gain and I will change my value as 2.
In Simulink, in option of integrator, I'm getting two type of integrator. I mean, one is the Simulink commonly used block, and second one is the Simulink continuous integrator. So we need a block now.
Yeah. Integrator. Yeah, first one you can take. Hello.
Ma'am.
You can take the first one.
Okay. The block one, na?
Yeah. So this part will be 10 minus 2y dash. If you click on this integrator, you can just give initial condition. I gave y of 0 and y dash of 0 is 0. So I am not changing this 0. Similarly, I want one more gain to give the value 5. I will press gain. Get the output, I will use. So this entire equation is completed. Y double dash equal to 10 minus 2y minus 2y dash minus 5y. Anyone have doubt till this much?
You have taken a scope in the last one, na?
Yeah. Now I will just save this model. So everyone got this output.
Ma'am, have you changed anything in the integrator? I mean, inside the block parameters?
I just mentioned
Initial?
that my initial condition is 0. So if your initial condition is not 0, you can just change here initial condition.
Okay. In the both the cases, no?
Yeah, both the cases. That will be y of 0 and y dash of 0. Like y of whatever your initial condition that you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
mention. So everyone got this? You can just analyze from your display and scope itself. What?
Output is not coming actually. That scope is not coming on running. Actually, I'm not getting this block graph for scope.
What happened? Like, is this connection okay? Yours?
You just check with the intermediate output from the first integrator. Then check for the second last final output.
For which we have to connect a scope directly to the first, no?
Yes.
Okay. Or we can take a two input of in the scope.
That's the way you should debug every circuits. So from the input, it is fine. Then next stage, that is fine. Then check for the final output.
Yes, now I'm getting, sir. It's
Yeah.
some issue with the lab.
Okay. Thank you.
You can just analyze whether your graph and your display is same. Your display you will get 2 and the graph is also. Everyone got the output.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how did you rotate that gain, ma'am?
Okay,
Gain gate.
I will just do once again. Just click on the whatever your block, right click, and in format there will be format. In format there will be rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise. If you want to flip this block also, you can just do that. Like I will show.
Okay, ma'am. Got
Like
it, ma'am.
this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will say how to change this background of this your graph. And am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Just take your output graph, then right click. Okay. Then just right click and select style. When you select style, you can just change your figure color. Here it is given black. You can just give white. Axis color also, you can, figure color means that this outer box. And axis color means the inside one. You can give, I'm here giving white. If you want to change this, I'm giving black. Then if you want to change the thickness of this line, you can give here. Like, just take the drop down. If I'm selecting 3, and I'm changing this yellow color to red color. Then I will just apply and okay. Should I repeat once again? Should I repeat once again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Got it, ma'am.
okay. Now you can also give axis name title to your graph, axis, x-axis, y-axis. That you can just go to this file, then to take print to figure. Then you will get this another pop-up of the same thing. Then go to edit. I will wait. Just take first file, then print to figure. Then you will get another window of the same. Then you can take edit, and when you go down you will get access property. Then select that. In this you can just change your font, whatever font you want. You can just change your font name and size you can change. Then your x-axis and y-axis font will be changed. Also you can give names and labels, you can give title. Some name. Then if you want you can just give x-axis, the name for it, x-axis.
Ma'am, while changing in the property inspector box, like I have given title, but I'm not finding in the figure it is changing. Why? Do I have to save somewhere else?
No, you can just give enter, that only that much. Just take x-axis, then there will be a box here. 1 minute.
Malavika, are you saying something? I can't hear you.
No, sir. I'm
Okay.
just. Okay, after this, you can just give x-axis and y-axis. Till this, everyone got?
Ma'am, actually, by just when I give the text title, I mean, it's not changing. I think some issue with my laptop or something. This inspector, property inspector, I'm getting in the text box. I already changed the, I mean, the title. So I've given the title, but it's not changing actually in the figure, neither in the scope.
Yeah. You can just try.
You
once
edit
again.
that. You edit that label, then it is not reflecting in the final output, right? That's the thing I understand. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay. You edit and properly enter that thing. Maybe at that time you forgot to enter or something.
Now, if you want to save this in high resolution, just you can go to File. Just go to File, then Save As. You can give Save As. Save some.
Malavika, you can wait. Go to file.
Now I got it, sir. I just go to the file and there is an option.
Malavika, you just go to file and export setup.
Okay.
Export setup. Yeah, rendering.
Then you can select rendering.
Rendering. And those who are writing papers, publishing works and all, you can have this option rendering, and you can put in 800 dpi or resolution dpi. You can change to auto to 600 dpi or 800 dpi. Yeah, 800 dpi and apply it to figure like that. Okay. Then you can save it as an M file or a TIFF file. For publishing papers, it is sufficient for TIFF file. So TIFF file can be preferred at that time with a higher quality. If no compression image, you can choose it in a better way to represent the figures in publishing papers. Okay. That also few small tips. These are all small tips what we given today. Just expand it more and more. We are only giving the 5%. You need to work on that and make it as 100%. Yeah. Okay, Malavika. Shall we close the session, Malavika? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Complete?
Yes, sir. Any doubt? Any doubt also?
Yeah. Anyone having doubt? Anything?
No, it's fine, sir. Thank you.
You just try it. Everyone, you just try it on your laptop. And tomorrow's session is purely electrical. Those who are in first year or a second year electrical, best make it good understanding about voltage division, current division, and the network theorems, at least Thevenin, Norton, superposition. Make it good understanding for that. Then only come to tomorrow's morning session class. You will get a good experience through scripting and Simulink operation. Thank you once again for this today's session. Malavika, thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
If
Thank you,
if
sir.
anything is there, just let us know through mail or communicate through a call. Okay.
Any
Thank
attendance
you.
in the second half? Attendance for second half?
Yeah, I already shared the sheet.
For second half?
Yeah, second half. I will reshare it once again. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, please do it. I will close it in few minutes. Thank you once again for everyone.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.